Women's alliance of different organizations here throughout the U.S., but it's also a national, it's a chapter out of Gabriela, Philippines. Yeah, actually I immigrated here when I was younger, but we are here in Chicago today with the rest of our contingent to protest against NATO and also G8, although it's not happening here today, but you know, as the U.S. military continues to increase in the Asia Pacific, it really affects the Philippines significantly, and recently there have been cases women that have been raped, and also the continued plunder of natural resources in the Philippines by U.S. corporations. And while Filipinos suffer greatly here in the United States, as well as other working class communities where social services are cut, no money for education, no money for health care, but yet the continued increased military spending is prioritized over the interests and the needs of the majority of